Good day. I am known as Plato. Born into a wealthy family, I'm a Greek philosopher, a mathematician, a founder of the Academy in Athens, and a great writer. I began as a student of the famous Socrates. Most of what we know about Socrates is only because of the writings I did after my very close friend died. After those writings, I also wrote about my own thoughts and beliefs. I actually think most people are pretty stupid, and only a select few should make the decisions. One of my beliefs are that we don't really understand the real world, that we are trapped in our bodies and only see one part of life. One of my biggest theories is about form. A form may be an idea. Also, a simpler form would be, for example, a chair. We all have the general idea of the form, the look of a chair, and that is what makes it a chair, the form. The ideal form of a man is his soul in balance. The soul is made of three parts: our desires, our will, and our reason. Our will lets us resist our desires, and our reason tells us when to resist our desires and when to obey them. An easy example of this is if you're very thirsty. Your desire is a drink. Your will tells you that you're in the middle of class, and your reason keeps you in class until it's over. I believe if the three parts are out of balance, it'll lead to being bad. Nearly every work of mine was devoted to or related to the distinction of abstract objects, such as things that are not located in space or time. I believe the soul is different from the body, and that it does not require the body to function. I believe the earth is the center of the universe. I insist a person should only study the 5 mathematical disciplines, namely arithmetic, plane geometry, solid geometry, astronomy, and harmonics. Only after mastering math then one can proceed to study philosophy. For me, math is the key in gaining answers. But what is so different about me is that I think outside the box, believing in a spirit within you, a spirit you cannot see, touch, hear, or prove. I must state again that education is the foundation. From there, you are able to more clearly think outside the box. Let me finish this with a question for you. Since I'm so complex, do you have the feeling that the more you learn about me, the less you think you know about me?